बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। My dear students, I hope you all are well and you are still staying at home. And today I am with you again with another structure of a sentence. And you all know I am with you with some sentence structures. And I am with you today with another new structure of sentence. And I hope you will be with me. And dear students who are online with me, please share this class on your own timeline so that the other students can join the class, and we will try to learn something today again. So dear students, I would like to welcome you to all to Rangpur Online School. And you know, I am Muhammad Abdul Muttalib, senior teacher, Police Lines School and College, Rangpur. And on Rangpur Online, I am always with you only for the students of class 9 and 10, especially who are going to attend in the SSC examination. So only this week, I told you I will be with you with some sentence structures, but for the coming week, I will go to return to our grammatical items which I was talking to you, because as you are going to attend in the SSC examination, so we will not spend more time on the sentence structures. So for the coming week, I will be with you on the different grammatical items again. So thank you, dear students. Let us go to the today's topics. So today's we are going to, we are going to discuss about sentence structures and our learning outcomes. You know that just you will be able to identify the structure of sentences and make sentences using the structures. And our today's structure will be this. And if you can remember, in the past few days I gave you some structure like this, but our today's structure is কেউ কোনো কিছু বলতে পারবে, ধরতে পারবে or শিখতে পারবে. So our today's target will be from here, বলতে পারবে, ধরতে পারবে or শিখতে পারবে. If I see this type of Bengali verb in the Bengali sentences, then what will be my techniques? How I can translate them into English very easily. So for this, we have to memorize a very simple structure. If I can memorize some very simple structure, and if I can remember this Bengali verb in the Bengali sentences, and if I can memorize the opposite structure in English, then we can translate the Bengali sentences in English very successfully and very easily, and it will be helpful for us to write the English sentences in the writing skills when we will write something in the examination hall. So dear students, what will be the English structure? So just look at here. Today, bolte parbe, dhorte parbe, shikhte parbe. We will match it in English. Will shall oblique will be able to, meaning shall be able to or will be able to. It will express in Bengali ধরতে পারবে, বলতে পারবে or শিখতে পারবে. So just the focusing point today is shall be able to or will be able to. And you know, as a student of class 9 and 10, you have enough prior knowledge that we must have need a subject, and after that shall be able to, then we will use a principal verb here and extension. Then in English the expression will automatically be correct if we use shall be or will be able to. If I see any Bengali sentence where there is a reference of this, বলতে পারবে, ধরতে পারবে or শিখতে পারবে. So those who are around me, please join our class, and you will share this class to your own timeline so that the other students can enjoy the class. So just I am going to give you an example. আমি ব্যাপারটি বুঝতে পারব। Here I have layer যে বলতে পারবে, ধরতে পারবে and শিখতে পারবে। Then ব্যাপারটি বুঝতে পারবে। There, this is the focusing point in Bengali sentence. And as a student, here is the focusing point is shall be able to, will be able to. Then what will happen? আমি ব্যাপারটি বুঝতে পারবো। কে পারবে? আমি। Then I shall be able to, বুঝতে পারবো, able to understand. Okay, it will be okay. And I shall be able to understand, কি বুঝতে পারবো? ব্যাপারটি, the matter. Then easily I can translate the sentence in English very easily without any hesitation, any confusion. Fariha Tabassum Tuba, you have joined. Wa alaikum assalam. I hope you all are well. Just try to answer my question. If you can answer the question, please write it in your comment box very rapidly so that I can see and whether you have understood the structure or not. So next structure, if I go there, তারা তোমার অনুরোধ রাখতে পারবে। তাহলে বলতে পারবে, ধরতে পারবে, শিখতে পারবে, রাখতে পারবে। So this is the focusing point. Again, I will try to recall my structure, and according to the structure I will try to translate it in English very easily. So I have given you some techniques. তারা তোমার অনুরোধ রাখতে পারবে। কে রাখতে পারবে? তারা। তাহলে they will be able to, রাখতে পারবে, keep, কি রাখতে পারবে? তোমার অনুরোধ, your request. Then it will be so easy for you. So they will be able to keep your request. So how will be easy to write in English sentences if I can remember this type of structure in my head. I told you in my previous classes, if I can remember only 15 to 20 structures in my head, then it will not be easy for me in any conversation or to write any writing skill in my examination hall. So dear students, so I hope you have understood it. So if I see in the Bengali sentences this type of verbs, then I will use these techniques, shall be able to or will be able to. But you know, this type of sentences may be in negative form or interrogative form or negative interrogative form. Then what I have to do? So now I am going to give you another example. So dear students, তুমি কি আমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারবে? So again there is a focusing point here, but the sentence is in interrogative form. Then what I will do? Then my technique will be, just before the subject I will bring will or shall. Then I will subject, then I will write able to. Then my structure will be automatically correct. Just I have memorized shall be able to or will be able to. If I want to make any sentence interrogative, then just I will bring the shall or will before the subject, then my answer will be correct. Here, তুমি কি আমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারবে? কে পারবে? তুমি. So you. But I have to write down before the subject the will you be able to, কি করতে পারবে? সাহায্য, able to help, কাকে? আমাকে, me. Then my answer will be automatically correct. So will you be able to help me? Then your answer will be right. So another sentence, if I want to show you, তারা কি আমাকে ভুলতে পারবে? কে ভুলতে পারবে? তারা, they, তাহলে will they be able to ভুলতে পারবে, forget কাকে? আমাদের, forget us. So you can see, okay, will they be able to forget us? So it will not be difficult for you to make the sentences interrogative. Just if I have the main point. So next, another, তারা কি তোমাদের পাশে দাঁড়াতে পারবে? So in the same way, I can translate it in English. Will they be able to stand beside you? So just if you have the focusing point, shall be able to or will be able to, then you can easily, without any confusion, translate any Bengali sentences very successfully. Next, the another structure, if I want to show you, this is আমরা অপেক্ষা করতে পারবো না. Again my focusing point is here, করতে পারবো, but here it is পারবো না. So the sentence is in a negative form, you know. So what will happen? Then I will just write, I know my focusing point is shall not be and shall be able to and will be able to. Then just I will write shall not be able to. Then it will be a negative form. So if I see here, so অপেক্ষা করতে পারবো না, কে পারবে না? আমরা পারবো না, উই। তাহলে shall not be able to, অপেক্ষা wait. Okay, my sentence will be right. So we shall not be able to wait. Another one, সে কোনো কিছু বলতে পারবে না, কে পারবে না? সে, he will not be able to tell কোনো কিছু, anything. Okay, he will not be able to tell anything. So it will not be difficult for you. তারা কাজটি করতে পারবে না, কে পারবে না? তারা, they will not be able to do the work. Okay, they will not be able to do the work. So dear students, this is the negative form of this structure. Now we have another form, negative interrogative. I am going to show you that form. So this is, আপনি কি আমাকে কিছু টাকা ধার দিতে পারবেন না? This is negative, again it is in an interrogative form. So then what will happen? Just we will not like this, shall subject plus not be able to, then my sentence will be automatically correct. So what will happen? So will you not be able to borrow some money? কাকে দিবে? আমাকে, to me. If I go to the another sentence, তুমি কি আমার জন্য অপেক্ষা করতে পারবে না? তাহলে তুমি, you, তাহলে will you not be able to, অপেক্ষা wait, কার জন্য? আমার জন্য, for me. Will you not be able to wait for me? Another one, তুমি কি আমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারবে না? কে পারবে না? তুমি, you. তাহলে will you not be able to, সাহায্য, help, কাকে? আমাকে, help me. So will you not be able to help me? So dear students, I have shown you the four structures of the sentences. You know the sentences may be in affirmative, may be in negative, may be in interrogative, or may be in negative interrogative form. So dear students, I have shown you the four structures, and in this point I want to say you again Allah Hafiz. So dear students, thank you very much. Just every day I am telling you, just you will practice it at home you will try to make this type of sentences in your head yourself, and you will try to translate in English yourself. If you practice 50 or 60 or 100 sentences in your yourself in your own efforts, then it will be very easy. You will have no confusion, no difficulties to translate in the Bengali sentences into English. So thank you very much. My tomorrow's class will be suspended because tomorrow I will take class on DEO online school. So from the coming weeks, perhaps I will come to you with new topics. So thank you very much. May Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz. See you again.